there is a variations under these three common use cases. For customer service is quite similar to retail, but with different contexts. I will skip this for now, and you can reading all these details later. But one point I want to mention here is for this virtual agent solution, or we call that chatbot, and plus generative AI in it, is the solution is very flexible. It can scale up to large enterprise or for small business, and the price is affordable as well. If we take a small use case, let's say if you have 1,000 users to talk about this virtual agent, and you use Watson X service, the price is roughly like $1 per user per month. So it's like 1,000 user, $1,000 per month, which is quite affordable. Consider if you can handle 1,000 user daily queries, and you can maybe handle at least 50 of them questions instead of go to live agent. That is for this customer experience. This regarding the second common area we talk about is application modernization for bank. This one is there is a very niche market, but very promising business case. So for finance, especially for bank, we know there is a lot of a legacy system, and one of them can be IBM Mainframe. And use in Mainframe, there is a lot of application is programmed use a language, programming language called COBOL. The first time I learned COBOL, you may not heard that. The first time I learned COBOL is from this news said this large bank like Chase, Morgan, they are struggle to find some developer who know COBOL to help them maintain or develop these applications. And COBOL is like outdated programming language. So the business case here is to use AI to help developer better understanding the COBOL application and also make the COBOL programming better performed with this evolution of this hardware, and also convert or translate the COBOL to Java. And Java is very popular programming language, has been popular for the last 20 years, and many people know how to do Java. So that gave the enterprise the benefit to easily find someone can maintain and develop their applications. So if your customer have this challenge to handle this legacy COBOL applications, we can have a follow-up session to talk more about this use case. Another one for common area is the employee assistant for bank. For this one, I want to share this specific for research and investment. As we know, the bank, they do a lot of research, and that can be used to help them do better investment decisions. One client story is from this FinTech startup. So they have a lot of research to reading the financial report and get this research output. So they use AI to do three things. The first one, they use AI to summarize this quarterly report from many enterprise. Second one, they use AI to extract the data they want for their research. The third one, they use AI to create a chatbot. The chatbot will follow this retrieval augmented generation framework, RAG, to help them do their kind of a daily ad hoc queries. They want to know a specific answer in this report. They just asking for that compared to manually go through all these large complex files. So you see they observe a significant saving on their time. This is 90% saving time on this research work and the quarterly report generation and extraction. So this is kind of the sweet spot for generative AI, and we have many use cases prove that generative AI is very good to assist employee to handle processing and analyzing these documents. And we will end this finance use cases with another demo. So this demo, we will use the same resource here. The idea is we have a financial document, which is a 10K file from Red Hat financial year 2019. And behind this is AI. So first we want to extract the K information from this 10K file. I can see here when I'm talking, that is actually doing this extraction at the backend. So here is some information, address, employee numbers, recent acquisitions, executives, business models, and all these different, we'll say, entity or data we want to extract, that can be easily customized based on what we need. For example, we need another breakdown on their revenue to get the data. Then we can very easily to change the way we talk to the large language model, which we call prompting, to get the data we need. Then after we have this summarization, and we can ask the questions based on this data profile. Let's see this one. What is the challenge to maintaining a global customer base? Now, behind this saying, the AI will go through this annual report, 10K files, and get response and summarize to you. So difficulty in stuffing. And so this demo is very similar to this client story we just shared here, this FinTech startup. That will be for the bank and financial industry.